Hello, hello, hello. Happy December. So today I'm going to do an installment of my November auto ship. Usually I do it by the end of the month, but as usual, I'm running behind schedule. So I'm going to show it to you now. So most of you know the routine already. So let's go. So these are my two that I got. I got them earlier in the week. I think I got them on Monday. So let's see what we got here. Again, these are the two that I get every month, aside from what I purchase. What did I get here? So being that it's December, I got a St. Kitts coin. It's like some lady on a surfboard. Yep, 2022. And let's see what this one is. Probably the same. Oh, no, it's something different. Ooh, Justice Lady Liberty. 2023. This Gibraltar in the background. So these are two I get every month. Look, it's December. These are great Kris Kringle gifts. These are great Christmas gifts. Great on a budget. If you're on a $30 budget, there you go. There's your Kris Kringle or your Christmas gift. Or if it's Christmas gift or whatever the case may be. I haven't checked silver price in a while, but I think it's been up. Yeah, as of December 3rd, 11:54 a.m., it's $25.67. So I know it's up over the last few months. That doesn't mean it's continue to go up, but you get the point, right? These are long-term types of I don't want to use the word investment, but stored values, basically what I'm getting at. Anyway, enjoy your Sunday, and I'll see you next month. And have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year.